Assalamu alaikum. Uh, you are watching Love Pakistan, Build Pakistan, and here I am, Aziz. Right now I'm top on the mountain with nature. Behind me is a natural waterfall. It's a very small, but it's beautiful. And I'm continuing my journey alone towards Snow Mountain. Today is the September, I guess, 27th, and I still have a lot of ways to cover. I've been riding since this morning. Right now it's almost 4 in the evening, and I still have like 4 or 5 hours journey before I get to where I need to be. Because nighttime there is no light, there is nothing around here because mountains, no cell phone signals, no net, no data. I do have a satellite connection. I'm not sure when this video will be uploaded. Couple things I have done coming this far. I have a couple GPS locations devices with me, one in my jacket, one in my motorcycle, because the way I'm going is a very dangerous way. So if something happened, I'm journeying alone. Couple people know how to locate me if something happened to me, track through the satellite. And the second thing I have done, how to upload my videos. I have a Google account because all the videos I'm making, taking pictures, is automatically going in my Google account, getting backup. And I have a couple friends who I give my account access to them. They can download from there and upload my videos to my accounts. I give them fully access to my couple accounts, which is YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook page. They will be continuing uploading my videos because I have so much material, so many pictures and videos. I can't upload while I'm continuing riding motorcycle in the mountain. So my phone will be submitting data via satellite to my friend who is going to be uploading my videos. Not sure when he's gonna be doing that, but I told him continue monitoring my Google account backup, and as soon as he receives my videos or pictures, keep uploading them. So people who are following me can actually continue watching where I am, where I'm going through, because there's a lot of places on the way I cannot get even satellite connection. So let's see what happens. And continuing my journey towards Snowing Mountain. I cannot tell you where I'm going. Once I get there, I will be surprised. Not too many people make it this far on a motorcycle. And here I am. Part 15, dangerous roads, most dangerous roads in the world. And here I am, sitting in the water. It's beautiful.